Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make stew conch. First, ensure your conch is meticulously cleaned, removing any dark skin or gritty bits. Next, tenderize the conch by pounding it with a meat mallet until it's about 1/4 inch thick. This crucial step prevents a chewy texture. Finally, cut the tenderized conch into small, manageable, bite-sized pieces, preparing it for the next stage of our delicious stew. Now let's build our flavor base. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add 1 diced onion, 1 bell pepper, and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until fragrant, about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, add your prepared conch pieces, browning them lightly for about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, cooking for 1 minute to enhance the richness of the stew. It's time for the stew to come together. Pour in 4 cups of chicken or fish broth, along with 1 cup of diced potatoes and 1 cup of carrots. Add your preferred herbs and spices, like a sprig of fresh thyme and 1 bay leaf for aromatic depth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, covering and simmering for 1 to 2 hours, or until the conch is fork tender. Almost there. Before serving, taste your stew and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. For an extra burst of freshness, stir in about 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice. This brightens the flavors beautifully. Ladle your delicious, tender stew conch over a bed of fluffy white rice, creamy grits, or serve it alongside some warm, crusty bread. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.